Hello everyone, welcome to another ShieldX Manager tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you about plugins by showing off the first 3 plugins that have been added to the ShieldX Manager, with many more to come. Some are going to even be created by the community. So let's check the shop to see what we have. So it seems like there's some logs, and it seems like we can use them for crafting, but I don't have any money. So let's use our first plugin, Give and Take, to give ourselves some money. So let's just use this simple command GNT give and give myself some bits. Now let's buy 2 logs. So let's check the recipes. Seems like there's some wooden planks we can craft using the logs we just bought. So let's let's craft some wooden planks. So you see this command, craft wooden planks. Seems like we created 2. And so we can check our inventory. Oh look, we seem to have completed an achievement that earned us 450 for crafting 4 wood planks. Well, it's right there. Craft planks. Craft 4 planks for a reward. Alright. So let's do some work. I want to see if I can progress higher up in the ranks for my work. Oh, doesn't seem like I have enough money. Maybe if I check my stats. So I need 45 more. I'll work for a couple hours. Oh wow, look at that! I earned 357 bits just from working. That's a lot. Alright, let's rank up. And now I've ranked up, and I am able to earn more money every time I work. So, how does all of this work? Simple answer is plugins. Plugins are additional command packages that you can add to your server for additional content and even more customizability, as if there wasn't enough already. And the project I'm working on is a simple editor that people can use to create their own plugins. So let's try and recreate that setup. So right now we don't have any plugins loaded. So let's load a plugin. There are 3 we're going to be using, which are the only 3 that we have loaded. And you can check all of the plugins possible and their help commands at the official ShieldX Manager Discord, which you can find in the description, or by using the Join Discord command. So let's load a plugin. Let's load Money Actions, Stoneworks, and Give and Take. Money Actions allows you to work and rank up to earn bits over time. Stoneworks allows you to craft items from different items. And Give and Take allows you to give or take bits or points from players. Let's review Give and Take first, since it's the most simple. Give and Take is an admin-specific plugin, which means only admins can use the commands. Similar to the example, let's give myself 10 bits. So we do GNT give, bits or points, the amount, and then whoever you want to. Now you may notice that there's a silent tag. Basically, if we do give and take, let's take 10 bits away. If we use the silent tag, set it to true, then it doesn't say a message when the command is executed. And there are no negative. You can't get negative bits. if I like try and take more for myself, it stays at 0. And so right now I'm going to go on and we're going to configure the money actions plugin. Now you can see when we do the admin help command for money actions, there is one command for configuring everything. You can configure the pay range, which is the amount that people are paid for each hour. You can do this by sx.maconfig pay range amount 1 to amount 2. And so for each hour they will be paid $50 to $100, somewhere in between those two. You can set the max work hours, the default being 8. Pretty sure the default pay range is 10 to 20. So let's set this to 9. And then you can set the initial rank up cost, which increases by 1.25% each rank up. So let's set this to 100. So now it takes 100 bits to rank up for your first time, which will then turn to 125, and then on and on. You can work a maximum of 9 hours. For each hour, you will be paid 50 to 100 bits. Now, let's start working with the big one, the Stoneworks, which is the crafting plugin. Let's add our logs item. Log, give it the category log, make it to cost 5 bits. It's not limited. You'll get 1. The description is used for crafting. Then we're going to check our shop. It's right there. Alright, so let's make our first Stoneworks recipe. Let's check the admin help page. Now, something that is going to be coming, that's going to be fixed shortly after this video is released, is the lack of in the achievement command for Stoneworks. Because Stoneworks allows you to create custom Stoneworks-based achievements for crafting certain recipes, but it is absent from the admin help menu. This will be fixed shortly after release of this video, or maybe even before. So we're just going to create a recipe with sx.sw make recipe planks. We're going to make it so we receive 2 planks. So yeah, you want to specify the recipe. You want to specify the count. The recipe is also, the name of the recipe is the item that the player will receive. Let's make the category plank recipe. So this will create a blank recipe. So it has no ingredients. It gives you 2 planks, and you can view it with SW recipes. See, it's free. If we were to use the command right now to craft it, we would get planks, 2 planks, for free. So let's add some ingredients. So for the sx.sw add recipe ingredient, we specify the recipe, planks. The category of the ingredient, in our case, it's going to be log, since that was the log item. Going to make it cost 1 log to create 2 planks. So we're going to add 1 of material log to planks. So if we view our recipes, planks cost 1 log, and we will receive 2, and we used craft on it. We do not have the materials in our inventory. It sort of scared me for a second because I thought I did something wrong. So if I just give myself some bits, buy a log, you see we can craft planks. There we go. And it used up our log. So let's make an achievement for it. So we're going to create an achievement. So manage achievements. We're going to call it CP. We're just going to set the action and the sub-action to custom. So they're just placeholders. We're going to set the goal to 2. So this will end up being how many times the recipe has to be crafted. We're going to make the reward bits. No title. It's just bits. 450 bits. And the description would be craft 4 planks for a reward. And now we turn it into a crafting achievement by doing sx.sw crafting achievement, then the achievement ID, in our case it's CP, and then the the category of the recipe. In this case, it is plank recipe. Now CP is a Stoneworks achievement, which means if I were to go check the data, it would have Stoneworks Custom 1 as the action, and the sub-action would be the recipe category, aka plank recipe. Of course, you guys can't check the data file, and you can't specify this when you're creating the achievement. You just have to put it as custom. Now, we're just going to change the display name of the achievement to craft planks. There we go. Now you may have noticed that in our example, planks were actually called wooden planks, and you can change that with SW display name. You can change it to planks, and then you separate the original name and the display name with -- new. And then I'm going to change it to wooden planks. And so, you see, wooden planks in here. Take the logs. Logs are in the shop. And we have planks there. Well, an achievement for crafting planks. And so, if we give ourselves some bits, you can buy 2 logs. We can craft 2 sets of wooden planks. And we've completed the achievement craft planks. Planks are in our inventory. We can work. We can rank up since we have the required amount. Keep ranking up until we can't. Wow. Forgot how much I gave myself. And with each rank up, you will earn more and more bits for working. And that is the basic tutorial on how to use these basic plugins and how to manage plugins in general. I hope you enjoyed.